Hello. Welcome to another Dynamic Do It Yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
Tankmanjoe.
Too cool for school. These high schoolers. Anyway, it's been a bit. Been really busy. Hope you're out there being safe. And you have anything to say, Tank?
No.
Okay, that was very succinct. Getting ready for them SATs, right? Succinct. All right, anyway, today for Tasty Finds, we are going to try
Hot tamale Peeps.
hot tamale Peeps. I don't like Peeps. Full disclosure, I loved them as a child, but as I got older, I thought Peeps were kind of interesting. You know, it just seemed like it was just nothing but basic sugar. And so I am going to put a link up so you can see our review of some other Peeps that we tried. But today, while we were wandering around Target, I saw this and I said, hey, Tank, let's see about this. And he said,
I said no. But then she was like, come on, let's try it. And I was like, I guess.
because I can't resist. The thing I love hot tamales.
I don't like them.
Spicy cinnamon. So
They're terrible.
Delicious. They're terrible? You don't like cinnamon? You know,
no,
cinnamon is
cinnamon's
healthy.
good. It just gets stuck all in your teeth and stuff.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway,
And
so
it's cinnamon.
difference of opinion. So, you know what? I'm having hopes that this is actually going to be pretty decent. So, anyway, before we get started, hit that thumbs up because I'm sure you're going to love this. And also, if you like to see more Tasty Find videos like this, hit that subscribe button and we'll put them up. And we will continue with our German fare series and, you know, a lot of things. Things have been a little slow, but you know what? We're back in the groove, right?
Yep.
All right, let's try this. The servings, there are 4 serving size. 4 of these chicks is a serving size, and they are 110 calories for 4 little Peeps. So you ready to get started?
Yes.
Ready to try this? All right, let's get started. All right, here we are. We have these little cute little, they look red orange, okay?
Yeah.
So nothing different here. Same little sad little eyes on the Peeps. Look at them. They know they're about to be eaten. So anyway, I'll take one. And there's one for you.
Aren't there flaming hot Peeps?
I'm assuming that it's going to have a cinnamon taste.
If there's like, you know, flaming hot Cheetos, right?
Oh.
Flaming hot Peeps. That's what I would want.
Oh my God, that's disgusting. Okay.
No, it sounds good.
If you could take a look here, you see there, it's kind of pinkish inside, you know, so. Anyway, ready?
Yeah.
Bon appetit. Okay. Just what I suspected. What flavors did we have last time? I think it was cotton
Watermelon and
candy.
cotton candy.
Okay, yeah.
And then birthday cake.
Oh, and birthday cake. Yeah, man, that was a year where everything was like weird. Talking about stunt Peeps. Anyway, we're going to give our review. 1 to 4. Let me see if I can remember this. A 4 means, excuse me. Tell me what a 4 means.
A 4 means you'll like it and we'll pick it up again.
And a 1 means make a hard pass. So if I see it, I'll be like, and go a different direction because that's not what we want. So
A 1 means you'll use some lamp oil, rope, and bombs.
what are they teaching you at that school?
Sorry, Link. I can't give credit. Come back when you're a little, richer.
I don't know where that's coming from. I guess I just need to look into it. All right, so here we go. 1 to 4. Tank, what do you think?
Alright, so It's a Peep, right? A marshmallow with the outside of it.
Mm-hmm.
It had the taste of a hot tamale, but it didn't keep the spice of the hot tamale.
Mm-hmm.
So I give it a 1.
Yeah. Did you enjoy it at all?
Yeah, it's decent. I wouldn't get it again.
Uh,
Mind if I get another?
I don't mind you get another one. We could just finish this off. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 4, I love hot tamales. And actually, before we started this video, I was actually eating a couple of hot tamales, the actual candy. And the taste of cinnamon is so divine to me. 2 tastes I really love, cinnamon and peppermint. The cinnamon in this is barely there. As Tank said, it just tastes like they said, let's make this cinnamon flake. Ooh, okay, that's enough. It's not enough, barely can taste it. I can tell you what I do taste. I can taste the dye. And I don't know if you want to call it a gift, but I have a gift for tasting red dye. I could taste it, and when I taste it, it throws everything off, and it could be the most wonderful, it could be the most wonderful, most delicious cake in the world. Everybody tells me red velvet is really good. Now, every time I taste red velvet, all I taste is dye. So I taste the dye, I taste the sugar, and I think this is definitely a 1. If I could go under 1, I would. I'll give this a negative. But yeah, no, not a fan.
A 1?
Yes, may you and I give it a 1.
You have so many boxes of hot tamales over there. It's like crazy. She went and bought the entire store of all their hot tamales, and she gives these a 1?
No, he's really going
We have
into
like
the
20
land
other
of
packs of
make-believe.
these.
It's the land of make-believe. I got the mic. Land of make-believe.
Lamp oil, rope, bombs. You want it?
Okay,
It's yours,
I hope we don't get shadow banned on YouTube because you're talking about lamp oil. Anyway, so that is it. So Tank, you give it a what?
I give it a 1.
You give it a 1, and I give it a 1. And you know, if you see this on this, you know, and if you just love Peeps, if you are a lover of Peeps, I think you will enjoy this. You know, it's a little bit of variety, but if you see this on the shelf and you're thinking, this might be different, no, not really. Okay, so anyway, that's it for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you saw, give it a what?
Thumbs up.
If you didn't like this video, give it a
Thumbs up.
it doesn't hurt. Anyway, hit that subscribe button, okay? And so until next time,